Trying to get you guys some light in. Good morning. So today I'm going to the gym. I gotta get these little one off to school and say hi. I'm deep conditioning my hair, so that's why this is on here, because my hair was dry. Like no get out. So I'm a little late, so I gotta go. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. In Target, Jackson forgot his lunch. The funny thing is, I kept asking him if he had his lunch. He said yes. Okay, so I got his lunch. I'm about to go drop it off and then head to the gym. I'm tired. Just getting back from the gym. I need to go take me a shower and get started on dinner. It's 10 o'clock. Can you believe it? Spent 2 hours at the gym. But gotta do what you gotta do, you know. Look at that. Told you guys I'm gonna get rid of that little flab under there. Yep. It's coming. It's coming. So, consistency, all right? Consistency is the key. So, deep conditioning my hair. I'm about to go wash it out. Look at that, baby. Look at that. Oh. So I'm about to go hop in the shower and wash this. My hair. It's been in my hair for 4 hours. Put it in at 6. It's 10 o'clock. So let's go wash this thing out. I should sit under the heated dryer. You know what? I'm gonna sit under the heated dryer in response to some comments and then wash this thing out of my hair. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. But wait, let's take out dinner. Yeah, you guys know I've been sitting here all day with this thing in my hair. Haven't showered yet. Haven't showered. Have not showered. So I'm gonna go put some pants on and then talk to y'all. Cause hang on. Hang it on. Hang on. Whew, it's cold. So I had to put clothes on because I need to make my bed before hubby gets home. So let me go get my tripod. Oh, it's right there. It's right there. So I'm gonna set y'all up on the tripod because I got some stuff to do, all right?
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Okay, so trying to straighten up before hubby gets home and also put dinner on the fire because I told him I was going to put dinner on fire if he picked up the kids. But one thing about me, I cannot cook on a dirty kitchen. No matter what, I can't cook on a dirty kitchen. It just, I can't do it. So I'm straightening up the kitchen. I'm doing laundry. I'm trying to straighten up the living room before he gets here because another thing about me, I love when he comes home and the house is clean. It just, nothing worse than a man coming home to a dirty house after a long day at work. You don't know what his situation could have been like out there. So at least he needs to come home and come home to sanity. You understand what I'm saying? No matter how many kids you have or how many young kids you have, if you have a man, be considerate of what his environment is out there. Worst case scenario, put that in your head and think, okay, he needs to come home and there's just be peace. So that's what I'm working on, and then I'm gonna get started on dinner. That's the least of my problem. Okay, so Jackson forgot his lunch. It's right here. I still didn't put it away because I don't know. I just didn't put it away. And I have a ton of laundry to fold. Like if you watch my cleaning video, I'll link it here or here. And I started laundry yesterday and I didn't finish it, so that's what I'm trying to work on. So I'm gonna make a sausage stir fry situation. It's just gonna be green pepper, bell pepper, some onion, some peppers. I'm gonna make a salad because this thing is going bad. For our stuff, oh, we had a bag of cabbage and I didn't know that. But some tomato, I need that guy. Ooh, we got a cucumber that went bad. Oh, not good. What else? I think that's all I need from the refrigerator. I have a cabbage under there that I need to use. And then I think I'm gonna make some, what is that thing called? Cauliflower. I'm gonna make some cauliflower rice.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Dinner? So yummy. Okay, so laundry put away. Don't be afraid to have your kids help you put laundry away. Do not be afraid, because trust me, you can't do it by yourself, especially if you have a lot of kids. Enlist them to help. Hold on.
Mommy!
Yes, boo.
Mommy, your phone's gonna
So unless it's broken, whatever. Get the kids, recruit your children, and have them help with laundry. Do not be afraid. Okay? Give them tasks. It will help them. It will help them to be more responsible in life when they grow up. So don't be afraid to let your children help with laundry. So. What are you girls getting into?
Oh, I'm a boy. I'm back arms.
Look at this mess. Look at this. So who remembered this from Christmas?
I joined.
She's just opening that right now.
No, I opened that a few.
Well, I mean, you're just making it.
That. I already made that. I'm making that.
Okay, whatever. Whatever she just said.
I'm making that.
Madison, how was school today? What did you learn today?
Yeah.
No, I said, what did you learn today? Good. Okay. Maybe you don't understand what I'm asking you. Can you name your colors? What color is this?
Your second Uchi.
Blue. Good job. What color is this one? Pink. Good job. What about this guy? It's the color of a banana. What color? Yellow? No, say yellow. Not mellow, yellow. Yellow. Say yellow. No, not mellow. It's yellow. Say yell.
Not one of the radon ones, like
Say yell. Stop.
like a
Yell.
plastic one.
Yell.
Back to searching.
Yell. Say yellow. Oh. Was it coming? Someone's at the door. So, anyways, people, I guess they're handing out literature, but I didn't see any cars. That's what spooked me. I didn't see any cars out there. But anyways, guys, that's enough to spook me for the night. I'm gonna go edit. I'm gonna go edit because we have to lock up Juju. I'm thinking of taking these things off because Maddie know how to open the gate now. Like, Maddie, come here. Come here. Let me show y'all how Maddie know how to open the gate. Come here, Mad. Come here. Upstairs, Maddie.
Open the gate. Sorry. Pull. Pull, Maddie. Pull.
Yeah, we don't need baby gates because if she can't open it, we don't need it.